15 ways to start a conversation. 1. Compliment. I couldn't help but notice your item of clothing, accessory, etc. It looks great. Where did you get it? 2. Common ground. I couldn't help but overhear you talking about topic. I'm really interested in that too. What are your thoughts on it? 3. Observation. I couldn't help but notice that you seem to be really good at activity. How did you get started with that? 4. Current events. Have you heard about recent news or event? I'm curious to know what people think about it. 5. Introduction. Hi, I'm your name. I don't think we've met before. What brings you here today? 6. Question about surroundings. This event, place, etc. is interesting, isn't it? Have you been here before? 7. Humor. I couldn't help but laugh at something related to the situation. Have you ever experienced something like that? 8. Shared experience. I just tried activity or experience. It was amazing/funny/interesting. Have you ever done something like that? 9. Opinion seeker. I'm curious to get your opinion on topic. What do you think about it? 10. Praise for accomplishment. I heard you recently, accomplishment. Congratulations. I'd love to hear more about it. 11. Mutual connection. I believe we both know, mutual friend, colleague, etc. How do you know them? 12. Offer help or assistance. I noticed you, activity. Do you need any help with that? 13. Book or movie recommendation. I just finished reading/watching, title. Have you read/watched it? What did you think? 14. Food or drink inquiry. I'm trying to decide what to order/drink. Any recommendations? 15. Factual question. I was wondering about fact or information. Do you happen to know anything about it?